Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's adventure, we're going to draw Luca from Pixar's Luca. So, let's jump right in. We're first going to begin with a perfect circle, or as perfect as we can get it. Awesome, just like that. Then we're going to come down a little bit and do one little nostril, up a little bit, another nostril. And let's try to make them close to the same size. Awesome. Okay, and then we're going to do another circle over here. Looking good. Alright, now we're going to do another circle inside of this one. Followed by an oval. Awesome, looks good. Same thing on this side. Awesome, awesome. Looking good, looking good. Okay, let's get his mouth done. We're going to do a little smile. Then curve up. Curl over. Then curl up. And together. Then he's got three main teeth. 1, 2, 3. Then he has a fourth one. Then a fifth one. Awesome. Looking so good. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do his face. So we're going to start here at the bottom of his eye. Do a little bit of a cheek. Come around. Little gap. Curl up. And let's just stop right there. Start again. And come around to his eye. Awesome. Looking good, guys. And it's going to look so much better once we complete this. Then he's got little fins. Just do a little webbing between those 3 lines. So we're going to do curl down, straight, curl down, connect, connect. Then his hair, we're going to just go and just do some curved lines. And then we'll taper it off. Over here, kind of like his hair is flowing in a certain direction. Okay, and his neck, we're just going to give him a little neck. Then shoulders. Come down. And then we're going to do a little triangle going this way. With a little webbing. Another finger. Come down. A little webbing. We'll have the thumb here. Come down. And then follow the arm back up. Awesome. Same thing on this side. Shoulder. Come down. Have one finger come out. Then have another finger come out. And let's just do another one, kind of sneak in. And then a thumb. All right. Follow this in. Up. There we go. And let's just add a little webbing. Little webbing. Perfect. Okay, and bring this up. Then for his chest, we're just going to come down. Come down. And then just do little swirls at the top for his shorts. And these are going to come out and then in, then down, and then let's go on the other side. Go down, out, in, then down, and kind of connect the two. Perfect. All right. Then what we're going to do is do his leg. We're going to curl, curl. Give him a little bit of muscle in his legs, I guess. And there we go. There's one leg. And the other one. Come up, circle on the heel, and then connect. Awesome, looking good. Now we're just missing his tail. For his tail, we're going to come out right here, about at the knee. Come out. Then swirl all the way down to the bottom of the page. Then we're going to start it up here. And we're going to do the same thing. Perfect, looking good. Then we'll add some details. Awesome, looking good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add some more details to his hair, a little bit to his tail, and then we'll show you the finished product once you color everything in. All right, and then we're just going to color in the eyes, add the colors, and bam! There we go. There's our finished product, all colored in. Added the dark to his eyes, to his mouth, and some nice blue and green. And there we go. We got Luca from Pixar's Luca. If you enjoyed this video or want to see more great content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.